I laughed when I saw this news. You know what? Game Buffy, James Brown si na ọ na-achọ nwanyị ọ ga-anụ. James Brown nke ị na ha afụghị. Ama m na ịma onye ọ bụ. Ihe m ji sị ka m tinye ọnụ n'okwu a bụ na enwere m 3 reasons why I will say ị bụrụ nwaanyị na-ege ntị etinyekwa n'anya dị maka James Brown bụ a popular guy ama as a crossdresser. Ịbụ nwaanyị bụ nwaanyị anụkwana James Brown. Don't just don't tempt yourself. Why? Because James Brown will definitely never be a man. He is a male. A man can eventually become a husband, but a male can also eventually be a woman. It's just that you have manhood doesn't make you a man. And therefore, the first reason why I would say don't try and tempt yourself in your future is because a cross-dresser is already close to that of transgender. Onweghị mgbe ị ga na-eyi akwa nwaanyị ị ghara ịdị na-eme ka nwaanyị. So onye ọbụla bụ nwaanyị ga-like to get married to a man, a full man that will eventually grow to be a father, a matured man, husband. A male child that is eventually turning to be a woman will hardly become that kind of man that will quench your thirsty. So that is number one. Number two is that onwego male hormones nwere ike ọ bụ na ọ dị ebe 30% or 40%, which means the female hormones onwe ga-adị very high. You know, that is number two. Number three bụ na there is every high rate of divorce unless na ịma na ịbụ nwaanyị na-emekwa ka nwoke, then unu na-abụ nụọ o nwere ike ọ match ya. But if you're a woman na-eme ka nwaanyị, you need a man. So don't go on falling because na ọ na-emetụ ego aka, which is definitely what many people are rushing after. Here it says Nigerian crossdresser James Brown raised mixed reaction after he searched for a wife on social media. A socialite who recently started dressing like a guy called himself the latest bachelor in town. A fan reacted, "This boy is being threatened." I'm sure he's being threatened. So, and I have actually come across a video where he was saying, "Don't call me a guy. I am a lady. I am a lady." It's very funny. So I'm just saying this anyway. The news is sarcastical, but I will say women will definitely or eventually fall into this place. And there is high tendency that they will divorce later and there will be fight because he has emotional, just like women. I just want to conclude that if I were you, or if you have a daughter, don't let her fall into this mess. Remain blessed and share so that others will know my opinion. If you support this opinion, if you don't, put it on the comment section and let's take the matter on there.